In this video, we're going to discuss the technique of casting out nines to help determine whether an answer is either probably correct or definitely wrong. Recall that different arrangements of the same set of numbers yield the same sum by the commutative property. This sum is what we call the check digit. The casting out nines technique relies on the fact that every integer is congruent mod 9 to the sum of its digits. Let's take a look at an example. Suppose we'd like to take the sum of 253 plus 827 plus 131. Let's calculate the check digit for each number. For 253, we have 2 plus 5 plus 3, which gives us 10. For 827, we have 8 plus 2 plus 7. That gives us 17, which is 1 plus 7, which gives us a check digit 8. Going back to revisit our first check digit, once we get to 10 we aren't finished. We have to break it down to 1 plus 0. So this check digit is actually 1. A check digit is a single one-digit number. Now let's look at 131. That's 1 plus 3 plus 1. That gives us 5. If we sum our respective check digits, we have 1 plus 8 plus 5, which gives us 14. 1 plus 4 equals 5. So the check digit for the sum of these three integers is 5. The idea is that suppose we had to add these numbers by hand. 253 plus 827 plus 131. Once we get our sum, we can see whether it's incorrect or most likely correct by taking the check digit of this new sum. If the check digit matches the one that we found, then the answer is most likely correct. However, if the check digit is different, we know that our answer is definitely wrong. The sum of 253 plus 827 plus 131 is 1,211. The check digit is 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, which, as you can see, adds up to 5. Therefore, the check digit for the sum matches the check digit which we found by obtaining the sums of the check digits of the individual numbers. So this concludes our example on how to use the technique of casting out nines. I hope you found it helpful, and we'll see you next time.